Hi, my name is Kim Cobb, and I want to introduce you to Wright Creative Branding and Labels. We are a leading manufacturing and printing company that provides signage to create an exceptional consumer experience in a retail environment. We create, print, and install signage across the U.S. Our most popular products and materials are solid, perforated, and clear vinyl for windows, interior and exterior, wall vinyl, raised lettering, foam and PVC boards, and vinyl banners, just to name a few. As a major supporting partner with Board Retailers Association, we are happy to provide you with a 20% discount on your first order with Wright. This promotional discount will end June 30th, 2023. For more information, please visit wrightlabels.com. Thank you, and I look forward to working with you.